work, work. See me, I be work, 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 work. See me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So me by that work, 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 work. When you walk around.
Are you going to practice?
No, we're just running to the mall. Yes. Yes, go put your shoes on.
The mall is my favorite.
Yes.
You blocked the hallway for me.
Good morning, welcome to another vlog. We're about to go to the mall. I'm gonna go to Annapolis Mall just because I saw that they have a new Urban Outfitters and I'm excited. And I need a few things for the fall. So I'm gonna do Zara and Urban Outfitters. Honestly, that'll probably be it. It is 10 in the morning. I already finished some content already. I'm excited about that. And he was sitting here with me the whole time pretty much, crying and being upset that he wasn't involved, that I wasn't giving him all his attention.
Foreigner, 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 foreigner. Yeah, that my bitch too foreign in the visa. I don't need her. Pull her drop top with an eater. Two-seaters. New bitch wanna fuck on my AP. New freezer. I woke up thinking about pants. Hop off a jet to a check when I land. My bitch too foreign in the visa. I don't need her. Pull her drop top with an eater. Two-seaters. New bitch wanna fuck on my AP. New freezer. I woke up thinking about pants. Hop off a jet to a check when I land. Money way. Diamonds. Like this. I woke up rich, spend a grip on the necklace. I put the plug on three-way. Maserati, go speed race. Pop a baby on a bitch face. More ice flexing this way. We put the world on the wave. Don't give a fuck cause I'm paid. More act in a lemonade. Pharmacy knowing my name. I bet that because she bougie. She shot my dick in a movie. Trap jumping like 2-3. She a foreign little creep. My bitch too foreign in the visa. Foreigner, I don't need her.
Okay, so we just left Zara. Only saw a little bit of stuff. I'm about to go to Urban Outfitters. If I don't see nothing in there, I'm gonna just go back and get what I saw at Zara. But hopefully I find something here. This is like a brand new one.
Make the one of us. They guess I'm smoking, blowing. This is my name, snowing. I'm dark skin, glowing. On the Berkey, I'm rolling. Valet, parking. I'm screaming, I'm barking. They like Poppy, why you starting? I'm a perk, go retarded. They know I'm wrong and I need that respect. 700 grams, extra baguettes. Pop smoke, niggas know my face. I keep on showing until it's done. 20 years old, but I would like to
They fit.
Look in the mirror.
I see them. I think they're cute. So we're back in the car. Actually, we're home, but we're about to go back out. We're going to my friend Chardell's house. Jarella's going over there to work out because we're getting some work done to our garage. So we're gonna go over there. Good thing that her husband is Jarrell's friend and she's my friend. So we're gonna go all hang out. And she has children the same ages as my children, so we're about to just go over there and hang out.
Trying, but don't keep trying to pick.
No, stop trying to attack people.
He said stop trying to attack people.
Foreigner, 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 foreigner. Yeah, that my bitch too foreign in the visa. I don't need her. Pull her drop top with an eater.
Oh, yeah,
You didn't ask about the sauce.
well, it's gonna be.
Can I get some of the sauce on the side?
Like a sweet sauce?
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah.
I don't want to go by myself, and no one's getting the pics
Give you
off.
forks.
He's messing up your picture?
Never go by here.
Just leave her alone. Yes, we got forks. Okay, so randomly we decided to stop at CarMax. It's not that random though, because I do need a car, a new vehicle, a bigger one. So I'm thinking I like the Land Rover Discovery. We think we like it, so that's why we just want to come and take a look at it, because we did see one driving the other day and it looked like a bus.
Very true.
So we're just gonna see what they got.
You can get this Hellcat.
So you need something to fit our 10 children. I don't think that's gonna do it.
$392. X7.
How do I look?
Look like money.
Driving it. See, like, this is cute. This is cute, but it's just not enough room. You know? For all of us, it's just not enough room.
What did the back seat look like?
It looked like you cramped up. It looked like no foot room, you know? It's just...
Nice though.
Womp womp. I don't think the car I'm interested in is here. We pretty much walked around this whole thing and I haven't seen it. So I guess the search continues. We'll just go home. Murmur. Can I fix the mask though? No. So we finally made it back home. I'm so tired. I feel like we've been gone all day long. Like as soon as I woke the kids up, boom, we've been gone ever since. It's now 4:46 and we got home literally just in time because what's so funny? Because I have a meeting with my manager, which I just got one of those. Where'd that come from? I just got one, so that's exciting. And we're gonna have a meeting. We're gonna talk strategy, whatever that means, and I'm sure like money goals and view goals and following goals, stuff like that, I'm guessing. So I'm excited. I don't want to know what he can share with me, what knowledge he's going to share with me, you know? So we'll see how that goes.
I have, for example, I'm working with another mom. She just got a deal for, you would be interested in, maybe I could introduce you to them.
Yeah, that wouldn't be bad.
Okay, and